What is the difference between immigrate and emigrate? They look almost the same, they talk about the same movement, but they do not mean the same thing. Let's make this clear. Let's begin with immigrate, because this is where the movement starts. The word emigrate is pronounced as emigrate. Emigrate. When we use emigrate, we are focusing on leaving a country. For example, he emigrated from Canada. This sentence tells us that he left Canada. The focus is on the starting point, where the movement begins. Another example, many people emigrate from developed countries for different opportunities. Here again, the focus is on leaving. The direction is outward from one place to another. So we can clearly say, immigrate is about leaving a place. Now, from this point, we move to the second word, which shows the same movement from the other side, immigrate. The word immigrate is pronounced as immigrate. Immigrate. When we use immigrate, we are focusing on entering a country. For example, he immigrated to Australia. The focus is on arrival. We are not talking about where he left. We are talking about where he went. Another example, many professionals immigrate to Canada for better work opportunities. Here, the attention is on entering Canada. The direction is inward. Now, place them side by side. He immigrated from Canada. This shows where he left. He immigrated to Australia. This shows where he arrived. Same movement, but different focus. Let's correct a common mistake. He immigrated from Canada. This is incorrect because immigrate does not describe leaving. The correct forms are he immigrated from Canada or he immigrated to Australia. So remember it simply. The one starting with E means exit. The one starting with I means in, inside, entering. Once you understand the direction, the confusion disappears. A small difference in form, but a complete difference in meaning.